What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. So today I'm taking the bike to GP Motorcycles to get her first service and to install my brand new RNG frame sliders. And maybe, just maybe, we'll take it somewhere and open it up just so I can feel what it feels like to ride a 217 horsepower motorcycle. Maybe at that time I'm gonna make a decision, be like, nope, this is too much for me, I'm selling it. But you guys will be able to find out. Before I forget, RNG is a company based out of the UK, and I asked them for a sponsorship just recently and they obliged, and which was pretty cool of them. I'm really excited to get these frame sliders on. I'm really excited to get this bike opened up, and there's a track day coming up pretty soon as well. You guys have a lot more content to look forward to, but you know, bad news really does well on the internet, especially on YouTube. But unfortunately, guys, I don't have any bad news for you. Not this time, I'm sorry. The bike runs perfect. A lot of you guys are complaining that the motorcycle gets very hot, and I understand. For you, it might run hot. Potentially, you probably live somewhere out in Texas where it's 95 degrees, or I think on the beginning of August it was about 115 for you guys. I think any bike would run hot under those type of conditions. But for me, honestly, it hasn't been getting that hot. Yeah, once in a while it will roast my thighs, and I will have a full review of this motorcycle as soon as the first service is completed. So stay tuned for that, where I'll tell you guys all the juicy details about what I think. Like I said, it's got over 620 miles. It never gave me any issues. It never shut down on its own. There haven't been small little niggles, malfunctions, oil leaks, because whenever I store the bike, I check it out and I haven't seen any spots or whatever. So that's a good thing. So I think I got lucky this time, and I got a good bike. Ah, I completely forgot. This bike has cruise control. How could I forget? That's right. Oh man. 217 horsepower, Diablo Super Corsa SP version 3 tires that are virtually slicks for the road. You got these crazy wings in the front. It looks like it's going 300 miles an hour just sitting still when it comes to cruise control. Oh, modern technology, you gotta love it. Ducati's got a thing or two to learn. Or wait a minute, maybe I think they have cruise control now? I don't know. If you guys know if Ducati has cruise control in their V4S's, their super bikes, leave a comment down below. Here we are, GP Motorcycles. You guys need to give these guys some love. They're a great dealership, as you know. They hooked it up big time. Hey man, how are you? I got a 2 o'clock appointment. Yeah, and I'm also installing frame sliders. How's it going, man?
How about you?
Good, man. What are you doing?
Hanging out, get oil change.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's what I'm here for.
3 hours later.
Well, here we are. The bike has been serviced, and there goes my RNG frame sliders. So, now I have a little bit more confidence riding this bike. And she's got her first service. Let's go, because we got some stuff to talk about. Look at this guy. Holy cow.
You ever seen this thing?
Isn't this Paul's?
No, it's mine.
This is yours?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Wow.
Dude, this is sick.
Love my little Euro. We topped out right now, but it's fun.
This is perfect for like a dog.
Oh, dogs love this stuff. So do chicks. They're always jumping in. Go to PB, guaranteed someone will jump in.
Are you going home now with this?
Yeah, it's my commuter.
Oh shit, dude.
Groceries, you know.
Sick. I love it.
Later, man.
Have fun. Bye. That was sick. Anyway, let's get going because we got some stuff to talk about. A lot of you guys with heat issues will find what I have to say really interesting. All right. Unfortunately, the highways are pretty backed up right now. My GPS is telling me that there's a crash up ahead. What a boring start to my first service in traffic. Unfortunately, I can't help it, but while I am in traffic and while I can still concentrate, let me give you guys a scoop about the heat issues of these motorcycles. A lot of you guys in the comment section have been mentioning stuff about your motorcycle overheating and stuff like that. Well, I was told by the service guy that my coolant level was below the minimum line, and there's a possibility that your motorcycle can potentially overheat if it goes too low. So he said, since this is the first service and the motorcycle is going through its cycles and whatnot, it's totally okay that it was below the minimum line. However, going forward, that should not be the issue. And if it is an issue, and not something warranty related, but we'll cross that line once we get there. So he told me just to keep an eye on it. Normally he said that you change it like once a year whenever you do your brake flush or whatever. It shouldn't be happening quite often, but if it does happen quite often, then it could be something that needs to be worked on. So if that's you and you got an overheating RSV4, highly recommend that you check your coolant level, because your coolant level could be low, and that's something that you need to refill. Whenever I do ride in the hot areas and I'm sitting in traffic, I notice that it goes all the way up to 220, and at that point it begins to start roasting my inner thighs. So it is a hot bike. I mean, you can't fault the damn thing. It's 217 horsepower. It's meant to be moving. I know it's cliche by now, everybody keeps telling you that, and now I'm telling you that, but you know, it's part of superbike ownership. Ducati's got the same issue, so does Aprilia's, but that's a different subject. You know, I'm probably going to create a video about the heat thing once I have some more time with the bike. But until then, at least you guys know the scoop about why these things happen in the first place. But yeah, we're gonna go into Coronado Island right now, and there's this nice stretch of road that I think I can redline this bike and see what she finally feels like. Oh ho! Oh, 9,000 RPM. I'm only at 9,000 and I'm giggling like a schoolgirl. I'm in sport mode right now, and sport mode is not full engine map, but I have set the user setting for full engine mapping. I believe it's number 1 or number 3. Yeah, we're gonna switch it up to full engine mapping, so this way I can crap myself and then get humiliated on YouTube. That's all right. You know, I'm gonna be honest about everything, so I'll let you guys know. I'm probably not gonna be able to handle it, but I'll, at least you'll be able to see me and hear me be candid about what's going on in my mind while I'm riding this thing at full CHAT chat. Oh, hell effing yes. I would love to do a launch control right here. Oh, the wheel went up. God. Wow. I don't think I have enough balls to wide open throttle in first gear. This is crazy. This isn't even tuned yet. Shit. God. This is going to be a really long straight of road over here, and I think I'll be able to push it a little bit. I'm in sport mode, but I think I'm going to go to user mode right now, where the nannies are turned down and the engine is at its maximum potential. I got the blinkers turned on. Oh, look at this. I got a... little bit. But then I get a little wobble. This doesn't want to go fast. It doesn't want to go more than that. Looks like we got something behind us that wants to go a little fast. So go for it, buddy. Oh my God, man, I can get in serious trouble. Seriously, I gotta pull over. This is just too much. Oh my God. Oh, I'm giggling like a schoolgirl here. Oh God. How could I not want to do that, like, every day as soon as I wake up in the morning, come on this road and just like unleash it? How do I like not do this? At least once a day. Oh, well, I don't even know how fast I went. I was going so fast I couldn't even look at the speedometer. It was like teleporting speed. God. Everything was a blur. The manner and the way this motorcycle delivers power is unprecedented compared to what I've been used to. And that was full engine mode. I think that was engine mapping number 3 or number 1. I forgot which one is the highest one. But anyway, I switched it according to the manual. I forgot, it's been a while. I haven't checked it out. But still, guys, this is just incredible. How is something like this legal to buy? How? I just don't get it. How does somebody just get their motorcycle license, walk into a dealership with 20 grand, plop their balls on the table and be like, I want this? And then the dealership is going to oblige. And they're going to say, sure, here's the bike. Go do whatever you want with it. How is this legal? I just don't get it. God. Anyways, guys, I'm pretty much done. I think I'm taking this bike back and asking for a refund. It's just too much. It's too much, guys. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Do I keep it? Do I sell it? Am I gonna like go to jail tomorrow for riding this bike again and not being able to control myself? I don't know. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And these frame sliders look amazing. So there's going to be an additional video for the frame sliders, and I'll be doing a video on that, letting you guys know what it weighs, doing an unboxing, etc, etc. So that'll have a separate review that's on its own, but I'll give you a little preview of what it looks like right against the fairings. It's a little bit longer than the wings over here, which is exactly what I wanted. But anyways, I will see you guys on the next episode. Take care. Ciao for now.